Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save a workspace as a template in ClickUp. Whether you're managing multiple projects, looking to streamline your workflow, or you simply want to maintain consistency across different spaces, this simple, step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open ClickUp and log into your account. If you haven't signed in yet, click the Login button at the top right corner of the homepage and enter your credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard, which is where all your tasks, spaces, and projects come together. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, navigate to the space you'd like to save as a template. Look for the ellipsis icon, those three little dots beside your space name. This icon gives you access to additional options that aren't immediately visible. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Template Center. This is your hub for creating and managing templates in ClickUp. Inside the Template Center, choose the option to save as template. This feature lets you create a reusable layout of your current space, which you can apply to future projects or lists. It's a great way to save time and avoid recreating the same setup repeatedly. Once you click Save as Template, you'll be prompted to enter a name for your template. Pick something clear and descriptive, so you'll know exactly what it contains when you look back later. To make your template even more effective, take a moment to adjust any additional settings. You can customize which tasks, lists, or folders are included, ensuring that your template perfectly matches the workflow you want to replicate. After finalizing everything, scroll down and click Save Template. And just like that, your space is officially saved as a template, a ready-to-use blueprint for all your future projects. Once your template is saved, you can reuse it anytime, maintaining consistency and boosting productivity across all your projects. It's also a great way to standardize workflows for your team or keep your personal projects organized. Taking this extra step ensures you save time, reduce errors, and keep everything running smoothly. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to save a workspace as a template in ClickUp easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching this Delph Stack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might benefit from creating their own ClickUp templates. Why not make someone's day easier?